1, go.
We already have a playoff level atmosphere here as teams were getting connected to the field early in these qualification matches. And we have some playoff level scoring as well, as both alliances have scored in the autonomous mode. Miss Daisy not quite staying on that charge station, but the Cyber Crusaders 272 do for the Blue Alliance. And that gives the Blue Alliance a lead heading into teleoperated mode. A little more than 2 minutes remaining now as drivers are now gathering up additional game pieces for both alliance. Firebirds trying to grab that cube at midfield, while Miss Daisy and their alliance partners, the Fighting Robo Vikings, both score cones high for red, cycle furiously back across the field. 272 now looking to gather additional game pieces from the floor next to their alliance partners, 74-14. Into that blue community as the Firebirds scoring at the mid-level, maybe reconsidering to go high. Unfortunately, both those blue cubes bouncing out of scoring position. They can be converted back to hybrid nodes now. With 1.5 minutes remaining, it's a 1-point difference separating these alliances. 2607 for red in the community, looking to complete a link with that cube and the high node, ejecting it just into the perfect scoring position. 341 careening into the wall there, almost taking out that scorekeeper tablet, but successfully avoiding that. Meanwhile, their alliance partners 2607 grab a game piece as 74-14 aims high but scores mid with that cube. Just over a minute remaining and only 5 points separate our alliances now. 272 aligning with their cube, dropping it and scoring it at a mid node for 3 points to the Blue Alliance. 341 playing sweeper to sweeping cubes into the hybrid node. 2607 for red, trying to complete another up high link, successfully doing so. Each link earns 5 bonus points, and that is the second one for the Red Alliance. Alliance is now perhaps considering when they want to end their scoring and get to these charge platforms. 272 and their alliance partners 74-14, both trying to get one additional game piece score. 272 now going to load again. 2607 reaching out and scoring for red. 51-13 freed by their alliance partners as 2 red robots a little bit out of sync on that charging station. Let's see if they can align their polarities. Will we have our first triple balance? 10 seconds remaining here in qualification match 4. 2 blue robots teeter-tottering, 2 red robots finding their balance with 2, 1, 0. Scores are in with the Red Alliance taking match number 4 by an 83-73 margin. Blue